Theta value equivalent to 21.2724 rands a coin. The present cost range, 20.3747. 21.8588. The earlier day close, 20.4948. The change was plus 0.7776, plus 3.79%. Backwards rate, ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Theta cost expectation on Monday, February 20. Cost 20.78 rands, high 22.23. Low 19.33. Theta conjecture on Tuesday, February 21. Cost 22.66 rands, high 24.25, low 21.07. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, February 22. Cost 23.32 rands, high 24.95, low 21.69. Theta conjecture on Thursday, February 23. Cost 22.72 rands, high 24.31. Low 21.13. In multi-week Theta cost expectation on Friday, February 24. Cost 22.82 rands, high 24.42, low 21.22. Theta conjecture on Monday, February 27. Cost 23.16 rands, high 24.78, low 21.54. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, February 28. Cost 23.87 rands, high 25.54, low 22.20. Theta conjecture on Wednesday, walk 1, cost 21.32 rands, high 22.81, low 19.83. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, walk 2, cost 20.97 rands, high 22.44, low 19.50. In about 14 days Theta gauge on Friday, walk 3, cost 23.64 rands, high 25.29. Low 21.99. Theta cost forecast on Monday, walk 6, cost 23.11 rands, high 24.73, low 21.49. Theta gauge on Tuesday, walk 7, cost 22.68 rands, high 24.27, low 21.09. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 8, cost 22.55 rands, high 24.13. Low 20.97. Theta gauge on Thursday, walk 9, cost 23.09 rands, high 24.71, low 21.47. In 3 weeks Theta cost forecast on Friday, walk 10, cost 22.63 rands, high 24.21, low 21.05. Theta gauge on Monday, walk 13, cost 24.52 rands, high 26.24. Low 22.80. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, walk 14, cost 24.75 rands, high 26.48, low 23.02. Theta gauge on Wednesday, walk 15, cost 22.69 rands, high 24.28, low 21.10. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, walk 16, cost 23.37 rands, high 25.01. Low 21.73. In about a month Theta estimate on Friday, walk 17, cost 22.55 rands, high 24.13, low 20.97. Theta cost forecast on Monday, walk 20, cost 24.30 rands, high 26.00, low 22.60. Theta estimate on Tuesday, walk 21, cost 23.66 rands, high 25.32. Low 22.00. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost expectation for February 2023. First and foremost cost at 17.89 rands. Exorbitant cost 25.54. While low cost 17.55. The found the middle value of cost 21.21. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 23.87. Change for February 33.4%. Theta estimate for walk 2023. First and foremost cost at 23.87 rands. Exorbitant cost 29.29. While low cost 19.50. The found the middle value of cost 25.01. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 27.37. Change for spring 14.7%. Theta cost expectation for April 2023. First and foremost cost at 27.37 rands. Excessive cost 33.97. While low cost 27.37. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 30.12. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 31.75, change for April 16.0%. Theta figure for May 2023, at the outset cost at 31.75 rands, excessive cost 31.75. While low cost 24.80, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 28.74. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 26.67, change for May 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for June 2023, at the outset cost at 26.67 rands, excessive cost 26.67. While low cost 20.83, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 24.14, Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 22.40, change for June 16.0%. Theta conjecture for July 2023, at the outset cost at 22.40 rands, excessive cost 26.27. While low cost 22.40, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 23.91, Theta cost figure toward the month's end 24.55, change for July 9.6%. Theta cost expectation for August 2023, before all else cost at 24.55 rands, excessive cost 25.86. While low cost 22.48, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 24.27, Theta cost figure toward the month's end 24.17, change for August 1.5%. Theta figure for September 2023, before all else cost at 24.17 rands, excessive cost 24.17. While low cost 20.05, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 22.49, Theta cost figure toward the month's end 21.56, change for September 10.8%. Theta cost expectation for October 2023, before all else cost at 21.56 rands, excessive cost 26.31. While low cost 21.56, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 23.51, Theta cost figure toward the month's end 24.59, change for October 14.1%. Theta figure for November 2023, before all else cost at 24.59 rands, excessive cost 24.59. While low cost 21.29, the found the middle value of cost 23.34. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 22.89, change for November 6.9%. Theta cost expectation for December 2023, first and foremost cost at 22.89 rands, exorbitant cost 22.89, while low cost 17.88. The found the middle value of cost 20.72. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 19.23, change for December 16.0%. Theta estimate for January 2024, first and foremost cost at 19.23 rands, exorbitant cost 19.23, while low cost 15.02. The found the middle value of cost 17.